Hi, I'm Sam Crowe, Director of Public Health for Dorset and BCP Councils. I'm just here to give you a quick update on coronavirus. So this week we're definitely seeing more cases of coronavirus. We're really lucky. Through July and August we probably saw 2 to 3 cases a day across each council. We're now seeing perhaps 6 or 7 cases a day in each council, so a definite upturn in cases. Most of those cases we know are linked with travel, and we've got a really high completion rate through test and trace at the moment, so we're confident that we're managing to follow up on all of those cases and their contacts and limit the further spread of the virus. But as schools go back this week, it's a really good reminder that we do have to go back to basics. Remember those core public health messages of watching your distance, washing your hands. If you're in an enclosed space where you can't maintain a 2-metre social distance, wear a mask. And that's not just because we need to break transmission of the virus, but also some of the consequences of the test and trace system. So what we know this week from schools going back is that most have returned safely with no incidents at all. But where we do have the odd positive case of coronavirus connected with a school, we have to work through on a case-by-case basis to take prompt action where we need to. And if you have a positive case in a workplace setting like a school, if you've been a little bit more relaxed about your social distancing, you may get caught up in that requirement for close contacts to self-isolate. And if that happens to a small school, that could be the difference between continuing to stay open or having to close just because of the number of staff that would have to be asked to self-isolate. So it is rising slightly. We're continuing to monitor the situation very, very closely. We'll be doing more communications this week just to remind people of the basic messages, and we'll be keeping a very close eye on it over the next few weeks.